Hello, comrade. You're on the channel of the great Boris Rocket, an expert in online earnings. And today, I want to tell you about how you can earn $100 a day on dating websites. As you know, online dating is a huge business that's growing every year. And if you want to make money in this niche, you must know some tricks and techniques, which I will share with you in this video. Give a like to your old man and let's run. Affiliate marketing on dating websites is one of the most effective ways to make money online. It's a partnership program where you earn commissions from sales, registrations, and attracting new users. How it works: you register in the affiliate program, get a unique link to the dating website, and start promoting it. If someone clicks on your link and registers on the website, you earn a commission. There are many affiliate programs that you can use to make money on dating websites. For example, Be Happy Today, Romance Compass, Love Swans, Affiliate Today, and many others. Each program has its own conditions and commissions, so choose the one that suits you best. You know what they say about online dating? It's like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get. But with affiliate marketing on dating sites, you can at least make sure you're getting a sweet commission for all of your efforts. Method 2. Creating and selling courses. And here's another great idea for making money on dating websites. You can create and sell your own courses on dating websites. This is a really interesting and promising business that can bring you significant income, and I want to tell you how you can do it. Let's start with the first step: choosing a topic. What topics might be of interest to your audience on dating websites? Perhaps it's advice on how to write an attractive profile, choose suitable photos, start a conversation with a new acquaintance, rules of communication, and much more. Choose a topic that will be most useful and interesting to your audience, and let's continue. The second step is creating the course. This can be quite exciting. I already envy you. So, start by developing a plan that includes the topics and modules you want to discuss. Record video lessons, create reading materials, conduct a presentation. Make your course as interactive and useful as possible for your learners. The third step is selling the course. This is the most important step that will help you make money from your course. You can sell courses directly on the dating website by adding a link to your profile. You can also create your own website and sell courses there. Advertise your course through social networks, blogs, and forums to attract more people and help them learn how to find love online. And some dating websites already offer the opportunity to sell courses on their platform, making the process of creating and selling courses even easier. And what's the most in-demand course on dating? Of course, the course How Not to Make the Mistakes That I Made When Dating Online. I personally would pay for such a course if it existed earlier. Method 3. Freelancing. Do you love freelancing? If so, that's great because you can offer your services for dating websites and make good money. The first service you can provide is profile writing. Many people don't know how to properly describe themselves on dating websites and may be looking for an expert who can help them create an attractive profile. You can also offer photo editing services to help your clients look their best in their photos. In addition, you can provide dating consultations to help your clients learn how to communicate properly and find suitable partners on dating websites. This may include tips on choosing photos, writing first messages, and much more. Perhaps you're already thinking about how you'll sell your services. It's simple. Use different freelance platforms such as Upwork, Freelancer, Fiverr, etc. Create your profile there and start selling your services. You can also advertise your services through social networks, forums, and other resources to attract more clients. And remember, my friend, that you must provide quality services to make your business thrive and be successful. Recommendations and feedback from satisfied clients can become the best advertisement for your business. Apply your skills and knowledge, and maybe you can help someone find love online. Psst. And also, I heard that some freelancers provide matching services on dating websites. I don't think I'm ready for such work, but if you're confident in your matchmaker skills, then maybe it'll be a great option for you. Method 4. Advertising and promotion. When I was working on making money with dating sites, I started to think about how to use advertising and promotion. I encountered a few unpleasant surprises. Many dating sites prohibited me from advertising my referral links on Google AdWords and social networks, but I found a way and successfully used my own method. Now I'll tell you about it. First, you need to create a landing page. Buy a domain and pay for hosting. If you don't know how to do it, use the services of freelancers on the internet. When your site is ready, place some profiles and buttons on it so that visitors can click and follow your referral link to dating sites. You can find many examples of such landing pages on the internet. Some dating sites are also ready to provide you with ready-made sites. Then you can advertise your site on Google AdWords, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Visitors will go to your site, click on the link, and go to the dating site. And here's what you'll get rewarded for by dating sites. You'll receive payment for attracting new users, promoting products and services related to dating. You can also get paid for displaying ads on your site. For example, you can place advertising banners and earn money for impressions. You can see all the monetization methods on each dating site separately. As a rule, the affiliate section has everything you need. Another way to advertise your referral links is Facebook. You can add your referral link to your profile and start making new acquaintances. Most users will be curious to get to know you better and will follow your referral link to the dating site. It's important to remember that successful promotion and advertising on dating sites will require some knowledge and experience. But if you're willing to learn and spend some time on it, you can achieve success and be rewarded. Method 5. Creating your own dating website. What if you create your own dating website? Can you make money from it? Let me tell you about some ways that can help you start your own business in this niche. There are many successful dating websites like Match.com, OkCupid, and eHarmony that help people find love. You can create something similar using specialized website creation platforms like Skadate, PG Dating Pro, Udate, and others. These are ready-to-use, specialized scripts that will allow you to launch your project in no time. Let's talk about ways to monetize your dating website. One of the first ways to earn income from your dating site is through advertising. You can sell ads directly on your site or use affiliate marketing programs to earn commissions on sales of dating-related products and services. You can also sell subscriptions that allow users to access additional features and capabilities on the site. Match.com is a successful example of a dating website. They offer a user experience that helps people find their ideal partner using multiple parameters such as interests, habits, and goals. They also offer users options such as private chat and the ability to send photos to each other. Another successful example of a dating site is eHarmony. They use a scientific approach to help people find the perfect match. They use information about personality and interests to find compatible pairs and offer personalized dating advice to help users improve their dating experience. Overall, creating your own dating website can be a great way to make money. You can earn money from advertising, selling subscriptions, and other sources. You can also create something unique to help people find love. However, creating your own dating website will require more finances and time to compete with existing projects. You'll need to come up with something original to attract new users to your site. It's important to first think through the concept and monetization methods. You'll also need the help of a webmaster to help you set up your script. If you have a friend who can help you with this idea, you can become a great team and increase your chances of success. It's all up to you. In conclusion, I want to say that earning money on dating websites is possible but requires effort and hard work. You can earn money by working as a freelancer, selling your courses, or creating your own dating website. You can also use advertising and promotion to earn money on dating websites. However, remember that all these methods will require time and effort from you. There are no quick and easy ways to earn money on dating websites, but if you're willing to work hard, be patient, and find new ideas and approaches, then you can succeed in this niche. Thank you for watching, my friend. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you want to get more interesting videos, insights, and tips on earning money.